Are you tired of the same old hairstyles and want to elevate your hairstyling skills? Get ready to unlock the secrets of a classic and sophisticated look with the art of French braiding. In this comprehensive step-by-step guide, we will take you on a transformative journey, equipping you with the knowledge and techniques to create stunning French braids that will leave everyone in awe. The French braid is a timeless hairstyle that exudes elegance and versatility. Whether you're preparing for a special occasion like a wedding, prom, or a formal event, or simply want to add a touch of chicness to your everyday look, mastering the French braid is a skill that will serve you well. It's not only a beautiful way to tame your locks, but also a practical choice for keeping your hair neat and stylish throughout the day. This guide will walk you through each step of the process, ensuring you have a solid foundation to create flawless French braids. We'll cover everything from preparing your hair to dividing it into sections and seamlessly weaving strands to achieve that intricate braided pattern. You'll learn how to add hair to the braid, maintain the tension for a clean and polished appearance, and secure it with finesse. We'll even provide tips on perfecting the finishing touches to give your French braid that extra oomph. Whether you're a complete beginner or have dabbled in basic braiding before, this guide is designed to help you build your confidence and skill set. With practice, patience, and a little bit of creativity, you'll soon be able to create a wide range of French braid variations, from a classic single braid down the back to side-swept braids or even intricate updos. So, get ready to embark on this exciting journey and master the art of French braiding. Prepare to turn heads with your elegant and refined hairstyles, and embrace the joy and satisfaction that comes from creating your own beautiful braids. Let's dive in and transform your hairstyling game one braid at a time. Step 1. Prepare your hair. Start by brushing your hair to remove any tangles or knots. For a neater braid, consider applying a small amount of styling product or hairspray to add grip and control. Step 2. Divide your hair. Gently part your hair into 3 equal sections at the crown of your head. Hold the left section with your left hand, the middle section with your index and middle fingers of your right hand, and let the right section rest to your right side. Step 3. Begin braiding. Take the right section and cross it over the middle section, so the right section becomes the new middle section. Then, cross the left section over the new middle section. Repeat this process, crossing the right section over the middle and the left section over the new middle section. Step 4. Add hair to the braid as you continue braiding. Start incorporating more hair into each section. After crossing the right section over the middle, gather a small section of hair from the right side of your head, combine it with the existing right section, and cross both over the middle. Repeat the same step on the left side, adding hair to the left section before crossing it over the middle. Step 5. Repeat and maintain tension. Continue repeating the previous step, adding hair to each section before crossing it over the middle. Remember to maintain a firm but gentle tension on the braid to ensure a tight and even appearance. Step 6. Secure the braid. Once you've added all the hair to the braid, continue braiding the remaining length of your hair without adding any additional hair. When you reach the end, secure the braid with an elastic band or a hair tie. Step 7. Finishing touches. To give your French braid a polished look, gently tug on the outer sections of the braid to loosen and expand it slightly, creating a more voluminous and relaxed effect. If desired, you can use bobby pins or a decorative clip to secure any loose strands. Congratulations! You've successfully completed your journey to master the art of French braiding. With your newfound knowledge and skills, you now have the power to create stunning and sophisticated hairstyles that will turn heads wherever you go. The French braid, with its timeless appeal and versatility, has become an essential addition to your hairstyling repertoire. By following the comprehensive step-by-step guide, you've learned the intricacies of preparing your hair, dividing it into sections, and seamlessly weaving strands to achieve a flawless French braid. You've discovered the importance of adding hair to the braid, maintaining the right tension, and securing it with finesse. Ensuring a polished and elegant finished look, remember that practice makes perfect, and as you continue to hone your skills, you'll find yourself experimenting with different variations and incorporating your own creative twists into your French braids. From casual outings to special occasions, you now have the ability to effortlessly transform your hair into a work of art that reflects your personal style. But the journey doesn't end here. Hairstyling is a continuous exploration, and there are endless possibilities to discover. So, keep seeking inspiration, learning new techniques, experimenting with different braiding styles. Let your creativity flourish as you unleash your imagination on your own unique interpretations of the French braid. Share your newfound skills, inspire others by using the active hashtags provided. Join a community of hairstyling enthusiasts who are passionate about the art of French braiding and encourage each other on this creative journey. Remember, mastering the art of French braiding is not just about the end result. It's about the confidence, joy that comes from expressing your personal style, embracing your creativity. Embrace the transformative power of hairstyling, and let your beautifully braided hair become a reflection of your inner beauty.